Hi guys, just going out. Annie's going to go and have her hair done, so I wanted something to do while I'm waiting. So I thought I'd give this one a run. So I've just put a battery in it, not that battery, that's just a test battery. The other ones are on charge. But there's a problem with it. It's four-wheel drive, or should be. Nothing's going through to the back wheels. I don't remember that happening. But there must be a problem with the gears. So we're going to have to do a little bit of a tear down and have a look inside. See which gear's gone. Yeah, I don't remember that happening. Never mind. Something to do. Motor's in there. Drives the gear there, which drives that shaft that goes to the front and the back. So the shaft is spinning. Well, it's got to be spinning because it's got to drive the front end up there at the same time as the back end. So our problem's in the back anyway. So that's where we will have a look. Might have just spotted the problem. That bush there is supposed to be up in there, and it wasn't. I must have taken it apart at some time and missed that. I wonder if that's all it is. It should be in there, and for some reason it was all the way up there. Yeah, that's all it was. Well, at some time or other, I must have taken it apart and not put that bush back in the right place. Right guys, we're in the car park. Nanny's gone to have her hair done. So I threw everything in this box. Well, you can probably recognise what it is. So I can finish putting it back together. It is only a matter of putting the screws back in. Well, I've no idea how that happened, that I managed to let that that black bit get out of its position. Doesn't appear to be broken in any way, so I think somehow or other I have taken this apart for some reason, not noticed it had slid up the shaft, and put it back together with it out of place. If you don't know the history of this car, it's a Revell Lion kit car, I think. I don't know if you actually assembled it from scratch or whether it was pre-assembled. But it was toy grade, and I have upgraded it. We've got a servo there for the steering and an ESC for the throttle. I've just done that one wrong. The bush isn't in position. Come on, Grandad. I'm making a bit of a mess of this because I'm trying to do it. Here, take that bit off. Make sure we get these bits in the right place. Right, there's one bush there. There's a big bush on there, out of position. Okay. That one's out of position. And that one's out of position. Right, in. So that should sit down. Right, that's all down in position. Done that one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, what we got left? 4 screws. Oh, 2 at the back there. Okay, they're all in position. That one hangs through there. And this goes on. Which way round did it go on? That way. No, choice of two ways, and it's the other way. That way around. I struggle to do this. I don't know, lately I found my fingers are just too big. It's in the right place. There. Right. Blue tack, my usual way of fixing things. That together. Did I put the battery in? No, I haven't put the battery in yet. A small 3S made from LiPo batteries. Just lay that in there for now. Right, okay. Because we're running it on a 3S, that little ESC is really a 2S. Steering needs adjusting. Yeah, looks like we're up and running. I'll put the lid back on. Put the battery cover back on. 3D printed, original was missing. These are also 3D printed. Oh, here you go, go on. Oh, that one's broken. And just poke through what's left. And that one's also broken, so I have to 3D print some more. Right, so there we go. I will be able to keep myself occupied while Nanny's, well actually she's, as I say, having her hair done now, and then she's going to go and visit her friends. So that's kept us occupied while she's having her hair done. Got a little camera to stick on there. It will fit just there, but you don't get much of a view. Fit it up there, or quite often I fit it on the side, and then you can see the front wheels moving, which is quite a nice effect. I just use glue tack to hold it all in place. So that will do for now. We are all turned off, aren't we? Let's double check. On, off, off. Yep, that'll do for now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.